Yep. Find your balance. It ain't gonna be worth a hospital visit if you hurt yourself. But then you can't do your project. Then you got an extra bill on your hands. Slow, steady. Don't rush. At the beginning of the project, I mentioned taking your time, pacing. Don't rush. Usually when you rush, when you're tired, don't rush yourself. That's when you make mistakes. You feel tired? My method is always rest. One thing I never do, cut my hair when I'm tired, because you're going to mess your lining up. Trust me. So if you're tired, don't work. Take a break, rest, then get back to it. Keep you from making mistakes. Okay. We got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Like I said, this end piece, I'm gonna leave loose. Get this. So we can do this one. I can last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, I might demonstrate how to do one of the top panels before I go. I ain't gonna fasten it in. Like I said, I'm waiting for those roofing screws with the rubber washers to come in. So, be honest, I haven't quite found my workflow yet, because I plan on using the scaffolding. I'm gonna just walk up. So I plan on using this for the peak and the higher parts. I'm gonna just slide a panel on so you can see how I can do it from here. Like I said, I haven't perfected the technique, but you do what you can, you improvise. Alright, so that's why I love this little skit. I say every build, make one or buy one. I didn't have the money, so I had to make one. But so my technique, slide it up, slide it back. That's gonna be my technique. Slide up and back. Where you can see that panel. Like I said, there'll be more panels in there. Probably can't see me now, but plenty to bite on at the sides and the top. See if I can get on to so you can see me. So it's plenty to bite on at the top and the bottom, and you just tack it down just like the bottom pieces. Alright, we'll go ahead and get this down. I always have a gap in between these joists. I'm going to do back to front, back to front. So from back here, which you can see, all the way to the front. That way I always got a gap. Then the outsides I can tack from the outside. All right, you can walk it end to end to the center if you want to do it that way. Me, I'm just going to run it all the way down from back to front. All right, so that's my technique. I'm just going to lay this first row down, and then I might show you how to towel, because I didn't show how I lifted them up and put them in there. So let me do that.